Hello Pisces, how are you? Welcome to my channel star. So Pisces, this is your reading for the month of February 2021, and this is a post mid-month reading. This is the last reading for February. And also Pisces, a very happy birthday to all of you. I myself am a Pisces sun. Okay, so yay, it's our season. Right. So Pisces, this is a general reading, and so this may not resonate with everyone. So please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. Okay. Right. I would request you to hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. Okay, also hit on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Okay, all right Pisces, let me explain you the format of this reading. I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you're thinking about, you're dealing with. Then in between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay? Right. Thereafter, I'll pull some cards from another deck and they will be the non-love messages, the general messages for you and your person. Later on we'll see what are the messages from the higher powers, what are the messages from the universe regarding this connection or in general. At the end I'll pull some cards or probably a single card only, and that will be the likely conclusion for the given situation. Okay, all right Pisces, let's get started. The cards are flying out, Pisces. Excited for your birthday month, huh? Hierophant for you. 5 of Wands. King of Wands. Right. For your person, 6 of Wands, interesting. 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Wands, wow, okay. Mutual energy is that of Judgment, Knight of Pentacles. Wow. All the cards are so positive, Pisces. So if I have to talk about the zodiac signs, you may be dealing with the Taurus. You may be dealing with a Sagittarius. I see a strong fire sign presence and a strong pentacle energy over here. You may be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag. You may be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. All right, if the sign pops up, all the better. If not, that's okay. Okay, let's not remain fixed on the signs. Pisces. Wow. Pisces, you are reaching here. Okay, you are doing something because of which you are setting an example to the world. Okay, and people are admiring you like anything. It's gonna be like, you know what I'm getting, that you are going to be a very strong influencer. Okay, you are going to influence many lives. That's what I'm getting. Okay, and people are going to come towards you for consultation. People are going to come towards you for advice. Okay, and it's going to be a situation like, you know, you are going to get some sort of a popularity at a mass level, and if anyone attempts to criticize you, your fans and your followers are going to literally you know, in comment section or something like that, you know, if you have a social media presence, say on Instagram or on YouTube or Twitter or anything like that, and So like your fans are very crazy about you, okay? They love you a lot, and if then all of a sudden if one criticizer comes up and that criticizer criticizes you for something, your fans are going to literally kill them by trolling them, by you know by like making some harsh comments. So what I'm getting over here is people are going to stand up for you, people will start defending you, and this is something has not and has never happened in your life. Okay, people will start believing in you so much that they are going to defend you left, right, and center. Okay, you will attract a lot of haters because you are going to get a lot of success, Pisces. Okay, there is someone who is admiring you from the far. This person is interested in you, and this may be a new person, this may be a past person. Okay, but there is someone who is admiring you, and some of you are going back to the school with that Hierophant card. You people have already started your spiritual awakening journey. You are not going to leave your throne at all. Okay, you are like, I am not leaving my throne. If anyone has to come towards me, let them come towards me. Be it a new person, be it an old person. You're like, I am not leaving my fucking throne. Okay, I have reached here after a tremendous amount of hard work. I have reached here after working my ass off day and night. I have reached here after really working hard like anything. Okay, and now I deserve something better. Now I deserve me sitting on my throne, and whosoever has done wrong to me, they need to come towards me with an apology and with a decent communication. Okay, some of you are definitely going back to school, some of you are taking up some studies, maybe an online course or something like that, but you're doing something to enhance your skill set. Okay, majority of you, I see that you are having a social media presence on various medias, like social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Okay, you, some of your LinkedIn influencers. Okay, and people are going to praise you like anything. People will start praising you, people will fall for you. Okay, people will come towards you, they want to shower their love to you. Okay, so they will start gifting you. You will start receiving gifts from strangers. That's what I'm getting, especially if you're having some strong social media presence. If you don't have a social media presence, then I'm getting like people within your community or within your family will start loving you. If there was a discord between you and your family members, or if there was a discord between you and your friends, friends from really past with whom you haven't had conversations since a very long time, they will all of a sudden pop up in your life, and they will be like, hey, I'm sorry, I didn't come, or I couldn't come, or whatever, for whatever reasons we couldn't have this interaction. Okay, I am coming, I'm really missing you, I want to talk to you. Okay, and you're going to be very happy for all the positive changes that are happening with you. The piece of advice is over here is that Pisces, you have to be receptive. Do not run away from whatever blessings are coming towards you. It may become overwhelming, like you will be shocked, and you will be because everything is going to happen quite suddenly. Okay, so don't get scared. Your person is really watching you, your person is watching you grow, your person is watching that people are ready to defend you, people are ready to fight for you, people have started having this admiration for you. Okay, wow, Pisces, you are really making a difference to many lives. That's what I see for sure. You are going to make, if not immediately, very soon in near future, whatever you're going to do, that's going to bring a lot of value to someone else's life. Okay, you are creating a value to someone else's life. You're going to make a difference in someone else's life in a very positive manner. Okay, applause to you, good one, good job. Okay, all right. So for your person, a 6 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, and 3 of Wands. Do I need to say anything? They are really missing you. Their intentions are very clear, Pisces. The intentions of your past person is very clear. They want to marry you. They want to grow old with you, they want to marry you, they want to have kids with you. This person has realized that you are the one for them. This person has realized their own mistakes. They are going to come ahead and they are going to be sorry. They will also offer you some sort of a clarification, and they are also thinking that there is some sort of a misunderstanding. They will also say that the communication wasn't good between both of us, and now they want another chance. Okay, do you want to give them another chance? It's up to you, Pisces. It is totally up to you. But this person has decided. Okay, they have taken a decision. Okay, they have taken a decision and they are on the verge of coming towards you. This person is waiting for something, but I don't think so this person is going to wait for a very long time. This person is on the verge of coming towards you, especially if you have a, especially in the month of March. Okay, whosoever is having a birthday in the month of March, okay, Pisces, I see that you're going to get some sort of a communication from this person on your birthday. Okay, they will wish you, they will be like, you know, I see a lot of positivity over here. They want to grow with you, and it's not about just a romantic alliance. Oh my god, I saw 1111. You people may be twin flames, okay? This is a fated connection. I see that this person has recognized a certain potential inside you. Okay, and it's not just because you are having some sort of a name and fame right now, or very soon you will get that name and fame, but this person knows that you have a lot of potential, and this person wants to grow with you. Okay, not just grow old with you, but this person also wants to grow with you as a person. This person also wants to grow with you, professionally, career wise. So this person may get into a business alliance with you. Okay, professional alliance with you. Some of you are dealing with your bosses. Some of you are dealing with someone at a workplace. Some of you are, whosoever this person is, this person has a lot of passion. Okay, whosoever is coming towards you, this person has tremendous amount of passion for you. This person is slightly, I see, on borderline obsessive and possessive. Okay, that's what I see. This person is a bit possessive about you. They cannot tolerate you with someone else. Okay, they are coming towards you very confidently. They are coming towards you to make you theirs. Okay, they have this very strong determination and will to convert, not convert, what I'm trying to say is, from Miss to Mrs. And if it's a, otherwise to make you as the spouse. That's what I wanted to say. All right, so the mutual energy is that of Judgment, Knight of Pentacles. The Judgment Day is near. I don't see that it's gonna be long if there is no communication, if there is no contact between both of you. I see a very, very soon this person is going to contact you. Very, very soon, and especially on your birth date. That's what I'm hearing, or in the month of March. This person wants to grow with you. Okay, this person will initially come towards you as a friend. But their ultimate goal is to get married with you. Okay, though for some of you this person may express that their ultimate goal is to marry you, but they will say that let's be friends first and let's see how this proceeds. Okay, because even you're going to be a bit reluctant and skeptical for a second chance. Okay, but the Judgment Day is near, Pisces. Be ready, that's what I'm getting. The Judgment Day is near. Okay, you will reach a situation where you will have to take some strong decisions, whether you want this person back or you don't want this person back. I don't see that this person is bad in the past for whatsoever they may have done to you, but yes, there is only one thing I see with a lot of fire energy over here. This person may be extremely passionate person, so this person may have put you in a third party situation in the past. This person may have treated you as an option, but now with the 6 of Wands, with the 10 of Pentacles next to one another, I feel that they're coming towards you with a very strong commitment. Okay, they want to give you very strong commitment, Pisces. Very, very strong commitment. Some of you I also see getting married with this person very soon. 2021 is going to be a year of marriage for many of you. Okay, this person won't let you slip away from their hands. Like this person is coming towards you only to achieve you back. Okay, they are coming towards you with some real strong determination. Okay, right, what are the general messages for you and this person? Four of Wands. Four of Wands also signifies marriage. We have Ten of Pentacles. Hierophant also signifies marriage. How many cards do you want about marriage? 1, 2, okay, 3, 4 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, Hierophant. All these cards, they talk about marriage. I am very sure marriage is on the cards for at least some of you people this year. Okay. Page of Cups, 7 of Cups. Oh my god, are you kidding me, Pisces? Are you kidding me? Hierophant again. This person this person wants nothing else but they want to marry you. You are mine, Pisces. That's it. You are mine. The search ends here for both of you. You are mine and I am yours. That's it. Beautiful. Oh, Emperor. Queen of Wands. Right. Whew. Okay. So, 4 of Wands, Page of Cups, and 7 of Cups. You may have certain options when this person comes back, and you will be a bit confused as to what you need to do. Otherwise, I also see that you may have certain options with your career choices. Some of you may want to change your career. Okay, some of you may want to quit a pattern in your life. Like if you were doing jobs since last so many years, you want to quit doing your job and you want to switch to doing something on your own. Okay, and so there is a lot of a thought process going on. Okay, and you keep on thinking about your past person. Okay, you keep on thinking about your past person a lot. Don't lie to me, Pisces. You keep on thinking. Okay, Hierophant, Emperor, and Queen of Wands. Okay, this person is totally smitten about you. You are on the top of their mind right now. Okay, you are their priority. To get you back is their goal right now. Okay, and this person knows that they are very confident. Okay, whosoever this person is, they are very confident. This may be a boss person or someone. This person is also someone like, okay, who has a lot of reputation within their community. Okay, and people really think very highly of them. And I see someone who is bit who is bit possessive, obsessive, and who has a bit of ego issues. That's what I see. But this person is all about you, Pisces. This person is all about you. This person is going through certain major shifts in their life. There are certain major shifts that are happening in their life. Okay, major changes that are happening in their life. So this person may have quit their long-term job, or they may have quit their long-term relationship. Okay, that's what I'm getting. But this person is, if they are leaving a relationship behind, okay, of course they had a problem in that relationship, but they also want to marry you. Okay, and this person wants to have a lot of kids with you. That's what I see. They want to have a lot of kids with you. Okay, they really want to have like 4 to 5 kids minimum. That's what I see. And this person wants to have some really nice time with you. This person is going to take you, this person will start gifting you. Like, you know, they like to express their love by way of gifts. Okay, they also think that you are a very passionate person. You are somewhat, they think that you both are very same. Okay, that's what they are thinking. And there is nothing on their mind as of now except you. You are on the top of their mind right now. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the higher powers, Pisces. What are the messages from the higher powers regarding this connection or in general? What are the messages from higher powers regarding this connection or in general? What are the messages from higher powers regarding this connection or in general? The thinking woman, 5th chakra, Archangel Gabriel. You need to work on your throat chakra because there is a lot of communication that's going to happen, and good communication is required, Pisces, especially when you want to show your boundaries. Okay, good communication, appropriate communication is required when you intend to show your boundaries, when you intend to show what you're okay with, what you're not okay with. Okay, especially if you're dealing with a person who is of an emperor level. Okay, you really have to see that your throat chakra is open. Okay, because this person is coming towards you with a lot of strategy. Okay, and you are dealing with someone who is very intelligent. Okay, and if they are coming towards you, they are coming towards you to win you back. They are coming towards you to bring you back in their life. Okay, so if you want to accept them, if you want to go back to them, but you also want to tell them what are your boundaries and what is acceptable for you, you have to have your throat chakra open. Okay, I know that you love this person a lot. Okay, I can see that from the cards that you really like this person. You also feel equally passionate about this person. Okay, but it should not happen like, only they are talking and you are not talking anything. Okay, and you feel smitten again and you forget what you want to say. Okay, Pisces, work on your throat chakra. Right. And what are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages from the universe? 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 Pisces, what are the messages from the universe regarding this connection or in general? Pisces, what are the messages from the universe regarding this connection or in general? You were born with that it quality. You are a unique piece, Pisces. You are very unique, okay? And that's why people love you so much, and that's why people are not able to forget you. Pisces, you are very unique and you create a difference. You create a valuable difference in someone's life, and that's why they are not at all able to forget you. Okay, love doesn't have to mean near. If both of you are sad that you people are not together right now, okay, don't worry. Love doesn't have to mean that your person has to be with you 24/7. Eehaw. So this is like when it comes to choosing who will be in your life, listen to this. When it comes to choosing who will be in your life, I recommend valuing their eehaw quality above all others. Have it your way. Special orders don't upset us. Right. So what I'm getting from this is, Pisces, is that when you really like someone, okay, internally you should feel that happiness within you. You should have that feeling of ecstasy within you when you really like someone. Okay, that person should make you happy, and if that is really happening, then this person is for you. Honor thyself. Yes, even if this person is, I'm telling you, Pisces, even if this person comes back, and if it is necessary for you to show them the boundaries, you better first show them the boundaries. Okay, and you tell them that this is acceptable and this is fucking not acceptable. Okay, and I'm not here to take any kind of bullshit. You have to show that this is what is okay with me. Okay, you have to stand strong. Okay, you cannot just accept them back the way they are coming back. They will be like, I thought Pisces is going to fight with me. I thought that Pisces will say this and that and all that stuff. But it was such an easy comeback. It should not happen like that. Karma is on your side, baby. Karma is on your side. Okay? If this person coming back and offering you commitment is because they have learned their karma and karma is favoring you. Okay? There isn't a soul on the planet who doesn't crave your approval. Beautiful, Pisces, beautiful. People get a high because of your approval, because of your acknowledgement, because of your validation, okay? What you give will come back. You gave commitment. Commitment is coming back to you, okay? A strong commitment is coming back to you. Beautiful. So let's see what is the likely conclusion for this situation. What is the likely conclusion for the situation, Pisces? What is the likely conclusion for the situation for Pisces? What is a likely conclusion for the situation for Pisces? What is a likely conclusion for the situation for Pisces? Surprising. 6 of Swords and 5 of Swords. Some of you are going to walk away from this connection, okay, because you fear that you don't want to go through that drama all over again, okay. And for some of you, I believe that this commitment is coming with some sort of conditions. What are the conditions is like you may have to get relocated somewhere. This person may ask you to start living in with them, okay. This person will say that you will have to come to wherever I am living, okay. And so this commitment comes with certain clause. That's what I see. And it will be difficult for you. It's not going to be easy for you to take the decision, Pisces, okay. All right, I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye.